Welcome, and thank you for grabbing this course. We want to change the face of violence across our country and around the world, and you being here is an important part of that. A little about me. I've been in martial arts for over 35 years, but I've always considered myself less of a highly skilled individual and more of a get it done kind of thing. I wanted to be a sheepdog. What do I mean by that? There are sheep. These are the potential victims. These are the people that need protecting. And then there are the wolves. Those are the predators. And in the middle, there are the sheepdogs, the people that stand between the sheep and the wolves. And you don't even have to be, the best fighter or the biggest, strongest out there or the most dangerous to be able to make a significant difference. You just have to have some basic knowledge and the willingness to stand up and face that wolf. Make them think twice. I want to turn you all into sheepdogs. This course is designed to take you from zero to highly competent. Now, it's not a martial arts course. It's not about perfecting moves. It's about acting smart. That means knowing what works and what doesn't. And that means knowing how to make good choices fast in bad times. We're going to walk you through 4 sections. First, the physical skills. This is about escaping from an attack. They lay hands on you or someone that you need to protect, and you have to know what to do, and it has to work. And it has to work even when you were at your worst or they're at their best. This isn't about fancy kicks or anything that you see in the movies, and don't even think about using this in competition. You'll get disqualified so fast, you'll think it's 2021. But the moves are legal friendly. That's kind of important. Now, the second section is sidestepping. That wolf is looking for a sheep. That ain't going to be you. This is about situational awareness, talking your way out, de-escalation, a few other buzzwords. Bottom line is this: you want to become invisible to the bad guy. You're not their type. Not today, not on any other day. The third section is aftermath. Bad things happen. Maybe it's already happened. It is an imperfect world. So how do we deal with our emotions? How do we deal with the law? This section is all about navigating that debris field in a way that you come out stronger, feeling good about yourself. And the fourth section is, why are we even doing this in the first place? Like, why do we want to protect ourselves? So we can go live our best life. Go to all the places, do all the things. So we call it Easy Street because that's the goal. Keeping danger far away so that life becomes just easier. That means walking around more aware, but with less stress, more confidence, more freedom. Fundamentally, you might think this sounds a lot like self-improvement, but there are some skills in here that are really uncommon, and you're not going to find them in your typical self-improvement course. So it's self-protection, but self-improvement is like a really nice side effect. We think these skills matter. We want you to have them. So that's the scope. Physical skills, sidestepping, aftermath, and easy street. Let's dig into this.